Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to Visual Arts class. Today in this class, we are going to learn origami butterfly, and you all should know that origami is known as the art of paper folding. We make things when we fold papers. Okay, and today we are going to make a butterfly, and for this we need two sheets or two craft papers, sheets of craft paper, a scissor and glue. Okay, and firstly we need a square sheet of craft paper, should be a square. Okay, then what we have to do is fold it at the center, make a triangle like this here. Okay, make a triangle and then fold it at the center again like this, make another triangle like this, and it should look like this. See it? And now we have to fold it like this. This is the corner, remember, and we have to fold it from here like this, and we have to make 90-degree angle right here at the tail. We can say we have to make a 90-degree angle here. Okay, and press harder, make a crease on the paper like this, and same on the next side here. Follow the same and look for this 90-degree with the center crease, the center one, and here it should be 90-degree, a right angle we can say. Like this, and if you open it, it should be like this. Okay, like this. See here, it has to be like this. And now keep it aside. Work for the antenna. I'm going to cut a strip, this paper, and we have to cut it at the half. Okay, now we have got two strips, and what we have to do is just make it curly by using a pencil or a pen like this. Okay, one is done, and the next one. Okay. Now apply some glue on it. twist it a little like this, and here again twist it to the other side. And use the glue for the tips. And paste it here. See the one here, this, and the other one here. And let it dry for a few minutes. You can use glue stick for this. This will be the back portion of it, and this will be the front or the upper portion of it. This here, pressed here, and later you can decorate it. You can color the wings or the tail. You can add eyes here too. Okay, this. And now if you wish to decorate it, you can use sketch pens, but this is not compulsory. But if you wish to decorate it, you can. This. Just decorate it. This will be the butterfly, the origami butterfly, the simplest one, and it hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. Since this was a tutorial, so it had to be a bit longer, otherwise it takes 2 or 3 minutes to make one butterfly like this. And this was all. Thank you.